I'm Ron Zimmet of the Daytona Beach personal injury law firm Zimmet and Quarles. I also have the privilege to be a student in the Daytona State College photography program. I follow the email comments in the Daytona State Photography Yahoo group. One writer recently asked, "Does anybody know how I can get a copyright?" Another writer was justifiably upset about people stealing text and forms from her photography business's website and wanted to know what to do. So let's talk about some basic copyright matters. It is, of course, a fairly complex field of the law, but some of the issues are basic. The good news is that you really don't have to do anything legally to get a copyright. If you create an original work and publish it, you automatically own the work and have a legal copyright protection. For example, if you take a picture and publish it by putting it on a website, you own the copyright. If you write text or create forms and put them on your website, you own the copyright. If you give a speech and record it, you own the copyright in the recording. You no longer have to do anything legally, such as put a notice on your work with a C in a circle or something like that. Once you create an original work and express it, if somebody steals it, you can sue them. If you can prove that you were damaged in some way monetarily by the theft, the court can enter a judgment for you in that amount. You know, unfortunately, it is frequently very difficult to prove the specifics of monetary loss. Therefore, the law provides another remedy. However, that remedy is available only if you register your work with the United States Copyright Office. It's easy to do online. Go to copyright.gov/register. If you don't remember that address, just do a Google search for copyright registration. The Copyright Office has a tutorial online that explains the registration process. Essentially, you just upload your work to the site and pay a fee of $35. Once you register the work, you're entitled to use the more powerful alternate remedy in legal proceedings. The alternate remedy is more powerful because if you win, you can be awarded your attorney fees and costs of litigation, and you don't have to prove a specific monetary loss. Instead, you can be awarded what's called statutory damages. These can be a substantial amount of money. This option puts you in a much better negotiating position to resolve something with the person who infringes your copyright without going to court. As a lawyer, I think going to court's fun, but my clients really don't think it's like going to the beach. And you're always better off if you can resolve a legal dispute fairly without going to court. So, in answer to the questions in the Yahoo email group, you don't have to do anything to get a copyright. But if you register, you're in a much better position. Similarly, you can register the text and forms you create for your photography business website. Next time, I'll talk about options for what you can do if someone steals your work. For now, I'm Ron Zimmet. Thanks for listening.